Hello everyone, welcome to bloggingmypassion.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an ebook store using WordPress. So this is the kind of ebook store I have created, and I'm going to show you how to create the same one. This is the $1 ebook store. Just for testing purposes, I have given this name. And here, this is the main page, home page of the ebook store. And on the home page, you can see the latest ebooks. That means what are the latest books that I have added. You can see them here, and on the top you'll see different categories. Here in the menu you can see different categories. These are the different categories like blogging. Under blogging you have subcategories like beginner blogging, expert blogging, auto blogging, etc. And you have some other categories and subcategories as well, like traffic, social media, marketing, etc. So this is the menu item, and on the right hand side you will see the categories again. Here you won't see all the categories here because I haven't added any books under these categories yet, so you won't see all these categories here. So but once you add any books under these categories, then you can see those categories as well here. Under the categories, you will see the latest books added. So this is the latest book section. Under the latest books, you'll see popular ebooks. So these popular ebooks are based on the number of views. You'll see up to 10 different books under this popular ebooks category. It's not category, under the popular ebooks widget actually. So this is the kind of ebook store. And another thing is, once a user visits this ebook store and he wants to see any ebook under this one, let's say like an auto blogging profits, he wants to check this one, and once he clicks on that link, it will go to the details page where the user can see the description and also a link, a buy link here. And if the user is interested, if the customer is interested in this book, and if he wants to buy this one, you can click on this buy link and it will be redirected to the PayPal page. So this is the PayPal page, and this is a PayPal sandbox that I am using currently, and you can easily change it to your original PayPal box and PayPal account, and I'm going to show you how to do that one. And this is the PayPal, and if the user wants to buy the ebook, then he can log in to his PayPal account. Then he will see a pay now button. So this is the pay now button, and once he clicks on the pay now button, then the amount $1 will be paid to you. And once it is paid, then the user will see a click here to go to download page, and at the same time the user will also get an email with a link to the download page. So either the user can download the product or the ebook by clicking the link in the email, or the user can also click on this click here to go to download page. Once the user clicks on the click here to go to download page, it will be redirected to the download page. So this is the download page where you will see like, thank you for your order, and this is the download link, and if the user clicks on this link, he can download the ebook. So this is the ebook, and he can download this one. So I'm just canceling this one. So this is how users can order ebooks from your site. And another thing is, suppose the user wants to buy an ebook and he clicks on the buy now link here and he goes to the PayPal page. But once he goes to the PayPal page, he decides not to buy this one, then the user can click on the cancel and return to the original site. So once he clicks on this one, then it will go to a sorry page. That means which shows like, sorry to see you go. Hey, the ebook costs only $1, but sorry to see you go. So you can create a page like this, and you can redirect the users, whoever cancel the transaction in the middle, and you can show any message you want. So this is the ebook store that I am going to show you, and I will show you how to create exactly the same one. So keep watching it. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install WordPress in my account. This is my GoDaddy account, and I am going to install WordPress. So this is the web applications and here is the WordPress. Just click on that and you will see install this application button here, and click on install this application. Okay, now it is asking a few more questions like directory. This is optional here. I don't want to use any directory to install WordPress. I just directly want to install it on my original domain. So here I'm using some domain pcsoftwarehq.com for testing purposes, but you can have your own domain here, and the version and language it is showing, and other things. Update to minor version. These are all default options. And the next one is settings part, administration username. So I'm using admin as the username, and password I am using some password here, and administrator email. Suppose you have created an email here, you can use anything like support at the rate your domain name.com in this, but since this is only testing purposes, I'm just leaving it as it is. And website title is $1 ebook store, and website tagline is buy ebooks for only $1. So all the other options you can leave them as it is, and so these are all some advanced options. So just click on install. So I just showed you this one how to install WordPress, but since this is not on installing a WordPress or anything, I'm not going into much details into this. But when you install WordPress, you can install it with all the options you want. Okay, now it is installing. Now the installation is completed. Okay, now the installation is completed, and let's go to, okay, so these are all the home page, and this is the admin section. Let's go to the home page, and this is the new WordPress that is installed. Let's go to the admin page. So this is the admin page. So this is directly logged in. Let's go to plugins section and see what are the default plugins that are already installed. So these are all these are all the different plugins that are already installed. We don't need all these things because we are not going to this is not a production site, so I'm just deleting all these default plugins that are loaded. Okay, so now I have deleted all the plugins, and now I can use the plugins I want to create the ebook store. The first thing we have to do is we have to have a few plugins we need to install, and the second thing is we need to add a specific theme so that we can show the ebooks in our store in a way in the way that we want. And the next one is we need to set up a few settings part, and also we need to do little theming. So I'm going to show you all those things. The first thing is the plugins. So the plugin that I am going to use is a plugin called ebook store. So let's go to add new section under plugins and search for the plugin. So search for the plugins ebook store. Okay, so this is the first plugin that is there, and click on install now. Now activate the plugin. Okay, so now the plugin is activated, and you'll see a message here. You need to create a thank you landing page with the text or shortcode ebook underscore thank underscore q thank underscore u, where you want the thank you page content to appear. Then select that page in ebook store options under settings menu. So what you have to do is, once any user orders an ebook, once the user goes to a particular once the user goes to his Paypal and orders a particular ebook, then he should be redirected to the download page. This download page is nothing but this thank you page. So we need to create this one, and we need to insert this ebook underscore thank you, but it has a button here, fix automatically. if you click this one, the page will be automatically created. So now the page is automatically created. I think let's go to this pages, and let's go to what pages. Let's go and see like what pages we have here. I'm just opening it in a new page. Okay, so here you can see like thank you for ordering page is already created. Once we click that button, it is already created here, so we don't need to worry about this one now. So let's close this one, and now it is redirected to ebook store settings. So settings, like the first one is the PayPal account settings. So whenever whenever you want to build a new store, any store, like try it with a PayPal sandbox. PayPal sandbox is a PayPal site, like you can have different sandbox accounts, and you can literally test like whether the payments are really happening or not. So the PayPal sandbox account that I am using is subbu_business@paypal.com. So this is the PayPal sandbox account that I'm using. So, and thank you pages, thank you for ordering. Order cancelled page. So here what we have to do is we have to create an order cancelled page, and we'll do that one. I'll show you that one. And PayPal currency is US dollar. PayPal language, this is optional, you don't need to select this one. And return to PayPal site text. That means once the user orders an ebook, once the payment is done, on that page in PayPal, it will show you a button like click here to go to download. So this is the text. You can change this one. Let's say like go to download page. You can change this one, and the same button will appear there. So this is the text, and PayPal sandbox, we have to select this one initially, and whenever like your testing is done and once your store is working correctly, then you can change this PayPal sandbox. You can uncheck this one, and you can update your original PayPal account ID here. Then it will work in production. I mean, once you update your original PayPal account here, and once you uncheck this one, then you can use it directly in production. PayPal transaction verification, turn off if experienced problem, ask buyer for a address at PayPal. These are all like we don't need them, because we need address only like if we are physically shipping something. But since this is these are all downloadable products, we don't really need the address of the buyer, so this one we don't need it. And these are all additional details, like if you want to set passwords for the PDFs and all those things, you can use these options. But these all comes with the, I think these are all like in the pro version, where you have to pay some amount. So we don't really need this one. Let's go here, and these are all link expiration is 1 month. Suppose if you want to expire that link, you can set 1 month or 2 months or anything that you want here. And download limit, the number of times the user can download the product from that particular link is 3 times. You can change this one. Email delivery, if you set up this one, then like you can attach the PDF files or anything to the email itself, so that the user can directly take those products from the email itself. But the problem here is if the size of the ebook or product is large, then it might cause some problems. So I'm not using these options. And VTA percent, VAT percent, if you want to if you have to pay any tax on this one, then you can specify the VAT percent also. Okay, now these are the different messages that are shown. This is the thank you page message. That means earlier I have shown you, when the user clicks on when the user pays any amount through PayPal, then he goes to the download page. On the download page, this is the message that is shown, and this percentage these symbols will be replaced with the original download link. So don't change this one, just keep it as it is. And the next one is email delivery content. Email delivery content is also this one. and the next one is from content. You don't really need this one, so just save changes. The next one you have to do is like order cancelled page. We have to create a cancel page here, so that like we can update this one whenever the user decides in the middle of the transaction decides to cancel the order, then he will be redirected to this page. So let's go ahead and create a cancel page here. I'm just opening it in a new page. So I'm creating a page called sorry to see you go. Hi, thank you for visiting $1 ebook store. Looks like you have decided not to buy this book. Sorry to see you go. So this is the page we are creating, and you can have like any information that you want here. Click on publish. So let's go to our ebook store, and here let's refresh this one. So ebook store, I'm just refreshing this one. So once it is refreshed, then order cancel page, you can see sorry to see you go page, and click on this. And okay, it's not selected. Okay, so now it is selected, and click on save settings, save changes. So now all the settings are saved. So these are the settings we have to do. So what we have done is we have installed a plugin called ebook store, and we did all the settings, and currently we are using a PayPal sandbox account here, and we have selected PayPal sandbox here, so that because we want to test whether the transactions are really happening or not. That's why I'm using a PayPal sandbox account. Once everything is fine, then you can uncheck this option, and you can have your original PayPal ID here. Okay, so this is all about this plugin. And the next one that we have to do is we have to install a theme. The theme is called Promax theme. Let's go to appearance and go to the theme section here, and search for the new, click on add new here, and search for the new theme, which is Promax. So this is the Promax theme, and click on install on the Promax theme. Click on activate. Okay, now the theme is installed, and it is asking for the theme recommends the following plugin: regenerate thumbnails. We don't really need this one, so I'm just closing this one. Okay, so now the theme is installed. Let's go to our home page and see how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like, the theme, and here it is showing like all these different pages here. We don't really need these pages, but we'd like to show categories here, and I will show you like how to add those categories and how to place them on this menu here. Anyhow, we don't need this second category here. We are going to delete this one anyhow, and we are going to modify these ones as well, and we are going to put our latest ebooks here, and we are going to change this text as well, latest posts to latest ebooks. So this is what we are going to do. So now let's go to our plugin. Now the theme is installed. Now let's add a few posts and see how it is working. Once you add the ebook store plugin, you will see a link called ebook here. So once you click on this ebook store link or click on this ebooks, it will show you all the different ebooks that you have already uploaded. We haven't uploaded any ebooks here, that's why it is not showing anything here. So now let us go to click on add a new ebook. Okay, so this is the ebook title, and this is the description. So what we have to do is first we have to add this product, and then we have to create a post here, and we have to link the ebook product that we have added to that post, so that it will show the buy link, and the customers can go ahead and buy the books from here. So first we have to add the ebook here, and the title is the first thing is let's say auto blogging profits. So this is the one we are adding, and let's add a small description here, and the description is I'm just like taking a small description for this one. So the title, the description is, so this is the one I am taking as description. Auto blogging is all about automating your blogs and etc. So let's take this one, and let's go to the site and click the description here. I'm just formatting this one. Okay, now we have to upload the ebook file. So click on browse here and go to auto blogging profits, and click on this link here. Okay, now the next one is we have to upload the cover page. Click on browse here, and this is the 150 by 150 image, and this is 400 width is 400 here. So let's select this one, and other things are optional like ebook preview, slide image, and all these things are optional, and the price I'm choosing it as $1. So now we are ready. We are with this one, and we have to do one more thing here. Just copy this code here, ebook details, this code here, and click on this one and add it here. Click on publish now. Okay, now the ebook is added. Let us now go to this ebook section, and you should see the ebook here. Okay, so now the ebook is added here, then the price is $1. Now let's create a post and link this ebook to that post. So let's go to our post here and click on add new, and this is our new post. So just give the same title, auto blogging profits, and again add some description here, and the description is the same description. So click on this description, and I'm just formatting it. Okay, so now I have added this one. So what we have to do is we have to add this link here. So just click on this image once, and this link will be added. Just put your cursor here and click on this link, click on this image once, and see the code is added here. So this is how we have to add a post, and we have to link it to the product that we have uploaded earlier. Here we can select categories here, but we haven't added any categories yet. So once that is added, then we can come back and we can select the categories. Now we are done with this one. If you want, you can add some tags here, and one more thing is we have to upload a featured image as well. So tags is like auto blogging. So you can add any tags here, and set featured image. So click on the set featured image and click on upload files and click on select files. So here it's better to prepare an image that fits on the home page. What I observed for this theme is the width is 150. If the width is 150 pixels, then it fits exactly on the page. So I have prepared a separate image. What I did was I just opened this image in Paint. The original image, I just opened it in Paint. So once it is opened in Paint, I just saved it as with a new name, save as, and I have given it as a report-150. So I just saved it with a new name, and I just resized this one. Just click on resize and click on go to pixels and select 150 size here width, and the vertical the height will be automatically adjusted, and click on OK, and then save it again. Okay, so that way you can get the smaller images, and once that is done, then click on this report 150 the thumbnail width, and it will be automatically updated. So set featured image. So this is the featured image that we are using. So we have done, we have created a post now, and we have linked the product that we have uploaded earlier, and we have created some tags, and we have uploaded a featured image as well, and click on publish now. Okay, now the post is published, and now let's go to our home page and see how it is appearing. Okay, so this is how it is appearing. If you see here, the image is very distracting. That means like it's not appearing properly, because we need to do a little theming here. To find out where exactly we have to do the theming, let's right click on this one. If you have Firebug installed on your Mozilla Firefox, you can use Firebug to inspect this one. So you'll see inspect element with Firebug. Just right click on this image and you'll see inspect element with Firebug. Just click on that and you'll see this is the one, and this is the image tag here. And if you see for this image tag here, it is showing now this one, the thumbnail image. So this is this is the CSS property. Here height is showing as 190 and max width is showing as 100% and width is showing as 100%. Since width is showing as 100% here, that's why it is really distracting. It is occupying the full width of that block, and it is not appearing properly. So what we have to do is, you can test it here, but the style sheet is style.css, so you have to go there and change it actually. So just like uncheck this one and see how it is appearing. So this is appearing correctly now. This one is appearing correctly, but one more thing I would like to have is, I would like to have it in the middle of the page, in the middle of this block, instead of on the left hand side. I want to have it on the middle of this one. So if you see, I have like a thumbnail image property, but I don't have any property here for thumbnail. So what we have to do is, we have to remove this one, this width property from thumbnail image properties, as well as we have to create a new property for thumbnail to make this image appear in the center of this block. So let's do this one. So this is here, like we just tested this one temporarily. So let us close this one. We have to go to style.cs and CSS, and we have to update it there. So let's close this one, and I'm just refreshing this one. Sorry, I'm just refreshing this one. Okay, so this is how it is appearing now. Now let us go to our appearance editor and see where the style.css is. Okay, so this is the style sheet, style.css. Just click on this one. Let's find out where the thumbnail image property is. Okay, so this is the thumbnail image property, and we don't need this width property here. So I'm just commenting this one. So this is now commented, and let's save this one, update file, and now it is saved. And this one is also hard coded, like height is also hard coded, so we don't need that one as well. So let's comment that one as well, and click on update file. Okay, so now it is updated, and let's go to our home page and see how it is appearing. Okay, so now it is appearing correctly. Now let us center this one. So I would like to have it in the center of this block instead of on the left hand side. So let's go to our style sheet again and see. We don't have like anything separately for thumbnail. We have it like for image, so we have to create a new one for thumbnail. So what I'm doing is, I'm just copying this one and I'm just pasting it here, and I'm just removing the img here, so that this is for thumbnail. And there is a property for centering which is called text-img, align, I think, but let me check it. It should be somewhere on the background section. Not background, but it should be somewhere on the body. Okay, the body, if you see, we have a text hyphen align left. Let's copy this one and let's go to our thumbnail section. Okay, so let's paste this one here, and instead of left position, I'm putting it as center position. So let's save this one. Okay, now it is saved. Let's go to our homepage and see how it is working. Okay, so now it is in center position. So this is working fine now, and we have everything here, and there is one default post here, hello world. Let's go and delete this one. So posts, so I'm just removing this default post that comes with the hello world application. So I'm just clicking on trash. Okay, now it is removed, and let's go to our home page and see how it is appearing. Okay, so now it is working fine, and here, like, one more thing we have to do is we would like to have latest ebooks instead of latest posts. So again, like, we need to change it in the theming, and since this is the main home page, normally for any WordPress theme you will have an index file, index.php. so that is the page we have to change normally. Now let's go to our appearance editor and check where the index file is. So if you see on the right hand side, you will see here, like, main index template, index.php. click on this one. So here somewhere you will see latest posts. So let's search for that one, latest posts. Okay, so this is the latest posts text here. So we need to change this one to latest ebooks. So now let us save this one. Okay, now it is saved. Let's go to our home page and see how it is. Okay, so now it is changed to latest ebooks. So now this way, first you need to add the product, you need to set the price. Once the product is added, then you have to create a new post and link the already added product to this new post. That way you can have, like, different you can create a really wonderful ebook store. So the next thing we have to do is let's add a few categories and categorize all the different products. So the first thing we have to do is let us remove these menu items, because these menu items are these are just the pages that we have created. So let's remove these menu items, and then we'll add the categories, and we'll put those categories on this menu bar. Okay, so now let's go to our menu items. So here under appearance you will see menus. So let's go to menus. So the menu name, the first thing is, like, we need to add, like, some menu name. So I'm adding, like, primary menu, create menu. So I'm creating, like, some primary menu, and the primary menu is the navigation that I'm selecting, like, because menu settings we need to add a location to that menu. So I'm selecting navigation and click on save menu. Okay, so the primary navigation is primary menu is created, but we haven't added any menu items now. So at this point this should go away. So I'm just refreshing this one. Okay, so now this has gone. Similarly for the second one also, create a new menu. So create a new menu, click on the create new menu, and here I'm adding a new one called secondary menu. So create menu, and add this primary thing to this secondary menu and click on save. Now this second menu also should go away. Okay, so now the second menu also it has gone. Now what we have to do is we have to add a few categories and put those categories in the primary menu here, so that the categories will be showing here. So let's add a few categories. For adding the categories, go to your post section here and click on categories. The categories I'm going to add are like there are a few categories. First one is auto blogging. First one is blogging category. That is the main parent category that I am adding, and click on add new category. And next one is under this blogging category, I would like to add a few subcategories. The first one is auto blogging, and select the parent as blogging, add new category. And the next one is another subcategory I'm going to add. So let us see, marketing. So the next one is beginner blogging. I am adding under blogging category. Click on add new. And the next one is expert blogging. I am adding. This is another category, subcategory I am adding under blogging. Click on add new category. And let me see if I can add any more categories under this one. So no, I don't have any more categories on this. Okay, so this is a one category and subcategories I have added. And the next category I'm going to add is traffic. So traffic, this is the parent category, so I'm not adding anything here. So click on add new category. So traffic is added. Under traffic, I'm going to add, oh sorry, this is name. So free traffic I'm adding. So parent I'm selecting as traffic. Click on add new category. And another thing I'm adding is paid traffic. So click on add new category, and now a main category called traffic and subcategories free traffic and paid traffic are added now. And the next one I'm going to add is social media. So this is one category. This is the main category I'm adding. So I'm not selecting anything here. Click on add new category. So now social media is added. Under social media, I'm adding Facebook and Twitter. So Facebook I am adding under social media. Click on add new category. So it is added, Facebook is added, and another one is Twitter I am adding. So under social media, Twitter is okay, Twitter is added. So I have added a new category, social media, and subcategories like Twitter and Facebook. Now I am adding another category, parent category, marketing. So this is the parent category. I am adding this category as well. And under parent category, I am adding three different categories: affiliate marketing, article marketing, and email marketing. So marketing, add new category. So under marketing, affiliate marketing is added, and article marketing I am adding again under marketing. Click on add new category, and I'm adding another one is email marketing. I am adding article marketing, affiliate marketing I have added. Now I am adding email marketing under this parent category, marketing. So click on add new category. Okay, so now everything is added. Now add a few more parent categories without any subcategories. One is reseller I am adding, and this is a parent category, none. Click on add new category. So reseller is added, and another one is SEO I am adding, search engine optimization. So this is again another parent category, and I am clicking on add new category. So now we have added all these categories. Now what I want to do is I want to show all these categories in the menu bar here. So for this one, what we have to do is we have to go to appearance and menu section. Okay, now we have gone to the menu section here, and you will see the categories link here, and you have to make sure that like you are on the primary navigation because that's the one we are using. Okay, so go to your categories section here and click on view all. Okay, and select like all the categories here. Okay, don't select on categorized and click on add to menu. Okay, so now everything is added, but you see like everything becomes like primary. They come as like primary menu items, but what we would like to have is we would like to have this auto blogging and beginner blogging, expert blogging, and all these things as sub menu items under this blogging. So I'll show you this one. Like just save this menu item and go to your ebook store and click on here. See, everything is showing as a primary menu item here. So what we have to do is we have to change this one in the menu structure. Just like click on this one, hold this and drag this a little bit so that it comes you'll see a little space here. So like that, like do it for everything. So under blogging we have these three subcategories, so we have done it for these three. Under marketing we have it for affiliate marketing, email marketing, and article marketing. Reseller and SEO we don't have anything. And under social media we have Facebook and Twitter as a subcategories. Under traffic we have free traffic and paid traffic as the subcategories. Now click on save menu. Now let's go to our home page and see how this menu item is looking now. So refresh this one. See, now like you'll see like all these different things arranged properly, and all these auto blogging, beginner blogging, and all these things are now showing as sub menu items now. So this is how like now you can prepare your categories and subcategories, and you can put them in the menu bar. Okay, so now what we have to do is like when we create the post, we have to select these categories so that whenever you select all these different things, these the post, the ebooks under that particular category will appear. So let's do this one. Let's go to our post that we have already created. So this is our post we have already created. Let's edit this one. Okay, now let's go to this category section. So this is, since this is about blogging, I'm just clicking on auto blogging. This is about auto blogging, so click on update. Okay, so now it is updated and the category is auto blogging. And if you go to here and refresh this one, and let's go to our auto blogging section here, and the same post, see the same thing is showing under auto blogging as well. So now until now everything is working fine. Now let me show you one more time how to add a new product into this one. Okay, so first thing we have to do is we have to go to this ebook store and click on add new ebook. Okay, so here we have to give the title and the description. Let's go to a different one here. Now let's take this Twitter marketing made simple, and this is the one that we are going to add now. Okay, so Twitter marketing made simple, I'm just taking a little content of this one. So Twitter in a nutshell is a, okay, I'm taking this one. So I'm giving the title as Twitter marketing made easy, and I'm clicking on this one. Here I'm entering the description here. Now I have to upload the ebook detail here. By the way, like just copy this ebook details and put it here. Okay, now upload the ebook file. So the ebook file is Twitter marketing made easy. So I've just selected this one and the cover image we have to upload. Click on this browse button, and this is the 150 width 150 image, so click on this one. Now, so all the other options you can leave it as this, and price make it as like $1, or like whatever the amount that you want. Enter the amount and click on publish. Okay, so now you have uploaded the product. Now you have to create a new post. So new post name also the same thing, Twitter marketing made simple, and again the text is the same text I'm copying, and it's the same text. Okay, now okay, here just click on this image so that you will get it here and put it in a new line. Okay, so now you got the link as well. That means you are linking the product to your post. So this is done, and let's select a category here, which is social media Twitter. So I'm selecting this category, and tags, again you can add some tags here like Twitter, social media, Twitter marketing, etc. So you can add any tags you want here, and set a featured image. So upload file, select files, and this is the 150 width image, so I'm selecting this one. Okay, so now set featured image, click on set featured image. So now the featured image is set, and click on publish. Okay, so now this is published, and let's go to our home page and see how it is looking. So just I'm refreshing this home page. Sorry, here we are in an auto blogging category, so let's go to our home page. Okay, so now it is showing it here, and if you go to social media and Twitter category, it will show you this particular product under that category. Okay, now so we have added, like now we know how to add like different products and how to link them to the posts here. And once it is done, let me go through a particular post and see whether we are able to order this one or not. So this is the one, and here like we are able to see the buy link. Click on the buy link. It should be redirected to the post PayPal. So now it is redirected to the PayPal, and you see this is the sandbox, PayPal sandbox one. If you see the URL here, so this is the sandbox.paypal.com, but like as I said earlier, you can change it in the settings. You just need to uncheck the checkbox, and you need to update your original PayPal ID. Okay, now let us do one thing. Let us cancel this one and see whether we are going to the. Okay, sorry to see you go. So we are going to this page. Hi, thank you for visiting $1 ebook store. Looks like you have decided not to buy this book. Sorry to see you go. Okay, so this is working fine. Let's go and see a real transaction. So click on this buy link. Okay, and let's log into this sandbox, PayPal sandbox. Okay, click on this pay now button. Okay, so you can check it like with your email as well. Like whenever you create this PayPal testing emails, just create it with an original email ID, and you'll see like whether you are really getting this email or not. So now let's click on this, click to go download page. Okay, so this is our download page, and here is a Twitter marketing made easy. And if you click on this link, you can see like you can download the product. So everything is working fine. Let's go to the home page. Okay, so this is how it is working. And here one thing is, once we add like any books to this ebook store, let us see if this view button is working. So this view button is also working fine. So everything looks good, but the only thing is if you see here, like it is showing as question marks and all those things. So we need to use clean URLs here. Let's go to our this one, but no, everything is like working fine. Actually, we don't need to worry about this one. Oh, sorry. If you see this one, view, if you see this is a 404 error not found. So this might be the reason, might be because the clean URLs are not set up properly. So let's go to settings and go to your permalinks and see this one. So we need to set up this one. So we just use like a post name / sample post. So just update this one. So everything is updated. Now let's go to your ebook store and click on this view button. Okay, so this is working fine now. So that's one setting you need to take care of. Okay, so now we have done everything, and in the meanwhile, like I'm going to pause this video for a few minutes and I will add a few more products here. Okay, so now I have added a few more products here, and I have selected a few categories also here. Like if you go to social media and Facebook, you'll see the books related to Facebook, and if you go to Twitter, you'll see the books related to Twitter. So this is how you can create an ebook store. Okay, so now we have created the ebook store. We have changed this title like latest post to latest ebooks, and we have aligned the images also. Now we have to work on the right side here. So here, like what I would like to do is like I would like to show the categories here, and below the categories I would like to show some recent posts with thumbnails. Okay, so that one, and also I would like to show some popular posts as well. So for doing that one, let's go to our admin section and remove all these things. So this is the admin section, and let's go to appearance and widgets. Okay, so let's remove all these things and we'll add one by one. Archives we don't need, meta we don't need. Let's leave the categories as it is because we would like to show the categories in this one. So let's leave the categories as it is, and let's refresh our home page and see how it is looking. So this is the search bar, and these are the categories that we have added. And now let's show the recent posts with thumbnails here. For showing the recent posts with thumbnail, we need to use a plugin called recent posts with thumbnail widget. So let's go to our plugins page and add that new plugin. So this is plugin, and click on add new. So here search the plugins with the words recent posts widget with thumbnails. So search this one. So here you see recent posts widget with thumbnail, and click on install now. Click on activate plugin. Okay, so now the plugin is activated, and let us go to our widgets section. Okay, so this is the widget section, and see, okay, see here, like we see the recent posts with thumbnail. So let's drag and drop it here. Okay, so title is recent ebooks, and the number of posts to show is 5. Do not list the current post in this one. Yes, because if you are on a specific post and if you don't want to list that post in this one, then you can select this one and keep sticky posts. We don't need this one. Do not show post title. No, we would like to show the post title here. No, we don't want to share the posted, but we would like to show the post except here, and maximum length of except is 55 characters, and we would like to show all the characters here. Thumbnails, display post featured image. Yes, display the thumbnail here, and we don't want to use these things, but we would like to use a specific width and height, and which is 50 by 50 we would like to use. You can try different options here and see which one is working for you correctly. Use aspect ratios. Yes, use aspect ratios, and try to use the post first image of post as no featured image chosen. So we don't need to use all these things. Click on save. Okay, so now it is saved, and let's go to our home page and see how it is looking. Okay, so this is how it is looking. So we can change, like, the number of letters here and see how it looks like. So let's say the number of letters are 75. I'm changing it to 75, and it will click save. Now it is saved, and refresh this one. Okay, so now it is looking good. So this is the recent ebooks widget. So in the same way, we can add a popular ebooks widget as well. So but, like, you can try it like different widgets and all those things. There are different widget places available here. So if you see, we have bottom menu 1, bottom menu 2, bottom menu 3. So you can try, like, different widgets and see, like, how this is working. Okay, so this is how you can create an ebook store, and you can add as many categories as you want. And if you think, like, you are getting a lot of categories, and you can have just a more button here, and under the more main category, you can have, like, different subcategories like that. So this is how you can create an ebook store, and I think I have shown you everything for this one. And let me see. Yeah, I have covered everything in this one. So this is how you can create an ebook store. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my blog, which is YouTube channel, which is bloggingmypassion.com. Okay guys, so this is my channel, Blogging My Passion. You can find it at www.youtube.com/bloggingmypassion. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, where you can find different videos on blogging. And if you are interested, you can also visit my blog, which is bloggingmypassion.com. Thank you.